Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to find Form 941 in QuickBooks. First, open your QuickBooks software and look for the main menu bar at the top. You'll want to click on Reports to begin this process. This action will open a drop-down menu with various reporting options, which is your essential starting point for accessing all financial and tax documents. Once you are in the Reports menu, carefully hover over or click on Employees and Payroll. From the sub-menu that then appears, select Process Payroll Forms. This crucial step will take you to a dedicated screen where all your payroll-related tax forms are conveniently organized. You'll clearly see options for both federal and state forms listed here. On the Process Payroll Forms screen, locate Form 941, Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return in the list. Select it, then choose the specific quarter you need. Click Create or View to generate the form. QuickBooks will then compile the necessary data and display your Form 941, ready for review. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all sections of your generated Form 941. Verify that wages, tax liabilities, and all company details are accurate. If everything looks correct, you can then choose to print the form for mailing or save it as a PDF for your digital records. This ensures compliance and proper documentation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.